Hello, team. As part of Stories 20 and 12, we've built an administration module for ingesting data sources. In this first view, we can see the list of data sources that are already registered. Here, we can filter by the different data source types, check their status, and the number of chunks.
It also lets us search by keywords contained in the title. Next, let's look at how we ingest a YouTube video as a data source. This is the modal that guides us through inserting a YouTube video. Let's select a specific video and click Ingest directly.
From here, the server takes care of processing the video. It extracts the transcripts and the title and generates the embedding. In this case, it's the calculus introduction video. If we open it, we can view the corresponding video. Now, let's add another data source of type YouTube to show how we segment the content. When we click Auto Extract, we can adjust the data we want to pull from the video. In this case, it extracts the title and the transcripts, the English transcript. As you can see, a range control is enabled to select which segment of the transcript we want to keep. And now we can confirm that it's already ingested. In this case, the tables related to this story are video transcription and manager videos. Manager videos stores the information about the videos we've worked with, and video transcription is where the transcript embeddings are stored. Here, we can see that we have two records inserted. Now let's verify that the information is deleted correctly. For example, in this case, we delete the first video, Whose Calculum, and it should no longer appear.
Once we run the query, it shouldn't be there. And the same goes for the transcripts table. And that's the progress so far.